Hello everybody, now we will fix the floor lamp together. HaFa Lighting floor lamp base from back. So we need to turn the backing opposite. Then we open to take out the base. After we take out, we return back to another side. This is HaFa Lighting backing. Other people, I don't know how they fix the base. Okay, now the beginning, we will start from the floor base. This is the base. This is the cover here. This is the bar. And this is the main wire. This is the main wire. First, we start to fix the main wire from this side. Here, we can see has this hole. We enter the wire from here. Then from here, then we take it. Check the long. Later we can adjust the long. Then we start from the first one. Also, we put the wire inside. There. Make it tie. Another one has here and here. We put this side to inside. Also, this is the wire. So now the stand is ready with the main wire. Then we take the main column. This is the main column. We can see the main column wire has two lines. This is the main wire, and we make it like this way, one short, one long, to not touch each other. So now, here also has two lines, and here has two lines. We put this line with this one, and this line with this one. In this situation. Now, for try to know any wire go out. No any wire go out. If you don't have this connector, also you can connect it together. But in this case, you must use the electric tape. We say if we don't have this connector, we can fix it together. Then we can use the electric tape. Must to not be Sorry. The metal cannot see at all. Now, I also prefer, even if you have this connector, just put tape to protect the wire from not touch any iron in this space. So better to use the tape, the electric tape. After we put the wire from inside and we control it. We take it from down. And we turn. These parts must be strong together, and the wire now we fix the base. Now let us to put this one in this way. Let it to here to not hung, and let us to go back to here. In this way, here, press and press this parts to close the wire to not come to the down. Then you take this one, this to protect from the floor. You open it, here you can see, and take it in the size and you fix. Now I will not fix it the truth because I will take out again this floor lamp. So now this part is ready. Then we will start to go up. Up also there is this wire. Take out this part. This part take out. And we take out this part. We need to take out all here. To take out this one. Now here we will start to fix the arms. Here in the backing, this foam maybe will bother so many people, but really it's the shipping protection. Without it, will so many damage. So all this foam we put here to protect. See now the arm, no any problem because the foam protected. Take out the arm. Here, take it out. Take out the screw. And we fix the arm in this plate. This plate has 6 arms. We fix the 6 arm here. By your hand now, no need to make tie now. Wait till in the end we will adjust it to make it tie. We take another arm. We take out the wire from here. It's just we put it for all this way to protect. We take out the screw again. And we fix another arm. Here. Now we fix the 6 arm in the same way exactly. fix all the 6 arms, then we make balance to make it this with this one straight, this one with this one straight, and this one with this one straight. Make it the balance. After we make the balance, we make here this. We make a tie. We make tie all the arm. Now we can see here, each arm, the wire has 2 lines. Let us to separate these 2 lines. So this wire has 2 lines, and this wire has 2 lines, and this wire has 2 lines. This wire has 2 lines also. Let us always separate the 2 lines, and this wire has 2 lines, and this wire has 2 lines. Now the wire has 2 lines, A, B. Now no problem which one A, which one B. A, B, or B, A, no problem. But 2 lines, and this one also has 2 lines. We put A with A with A together, B with B together. Now the arm has wire 2 lines AB. This wire has 2 lines AB. We always must together, A together, B together. Cannot each one. Cannot. Must be A together, B together. 2. Again, this 2 arm line has A, B. Another has A, B. So we put A with A, B with B. You can see the line AB, AB from each one. Last 2, the same way. This wire, let me turn to the camera. This wire has 2 lines, and this wire has 2 lines. We put A with A, and B with B. When we fix it well, and don't let the metal down. Arrive both to this level. Don't make it go down the metal. Now we make now, it was 6, now become 3. A, B, A with A. Again. B with B. Last one, A with A. And B with B. Now all the arms become 1A, 1B. From here AB, from here AB, from here AB. So all A and B. No problem which one A, which one B. But must A together, B together. Now this one, it's already okay. We need to put it here. The first step, hold please. Now here, as what we say, there is AB. Here, also the main wire, this is the main wire who come from down. This the main wire has AB, AB. I don't prefer this one. Take it out. Make more big. Okay, now this one, the main wire AB, and this one, it's this wire, also has AB. We put A with A, and B with B. Now the main wire with this wire down, AB. Now inside these bags, we can find this the white parts. These two white parts. This is the best safety way. Now here, come back to the arm has A, B. So we need A together. After we fix A together, we put this white plastic cup inside, we turn it, and we fix. We make it together. Now if you don't have these tools, buy this one also can. Just you need to press here in the middle, up, top, press to let the metal inside to hold this metal. So now we finish the A, we go back to the B again, same way exactly, we fix it together. Try to fix it well and to make tie. And don't let any metal go out. If you find there is some go out, try to cut. Don't leave it. After we fix together, we take another cup, we put it inside, we make it tight to the end. Then by any tools you have in your house, press to make it tight. Press from this area. This is the safety way because it will not go out and no any wiring outside. So anything will not touch the metal. Now we fix this part together. A, B, A, B. Now the main wire AB, this wire down AB, and the arm wire AB. So all it's AB. Now this wire in the middle, in the center, we put it here again from the center. And we put the wire inside to take the metal. When we put try here all around, no anything go out. We fix it and keep this line up. Okay, now the parts what we take it out, we return back this parts and the screw, and we fix. After we fix it, we put this part. This part, it's just cover for the screw to not have a look, yani just to cover it to become more beautiful looking. Then the last part who will hold the middle column, then we put it inside. We turn it. By the way, all this can by hand, no need you use tools because it's already okay. Now inside the packing, take out the crystal. Down in this area, you will find the top parts. This is the top part. Take out this white. Take it by hand. Just take it out. And make the wire, this wire enter inside, and you need to take it from another side. And turn the column. And there is this wire who go out. This wire also has two lines. A and B. Fix well. Then in the lamp holder, again, here has two holes and here has two holes. One wire, A or B, we put it in this one here or here, no problem. We put it in this one and we fix it inside. Another one, we put it up also here or here, no problem. And we make it tie. In this hole, we put the lamp holder inside. From this hole, we fix this one. Then this arm, also the same way, turn, then put it, and opposite, just make it tie. Again, another one. And we fix all. Now after we fix everything, let us try the lamp. We fix the lamp to try it all. To check everything. Please be careful. Make everything safety. And don't let the kids to play because it's so dangerous. It's easy. If you have any question before you do any wrong steps, if anything not clear, contact us. Contact us. The electric, it's dangerous. Okay, now we fix everything. Then we switch on. We find everything, it's okay. Then switch off, take out the wire, electric, then we continue to fix the plate. Now inside the plastic bag, we send this ring, the golden ring. The golden ring, the first step. Then the dish, then the lamp holder. This is the gold lamp holder. Take out the plastic and put the lamp holder. Till it will be the end. Then put the lamp. Then we fix the crystal and it will be ready. Thank you. If you have any question, please contact us.